Let's go over the install process for Graphene Matrix. Graphene Matrix is going to be our self-healing ceramic coating. It's a 9-year coating. First thing you're going to want to do is prep the paint. Wash, clay bar, whatever level of paint correction is needed, then wipe it down with an IPA wipe down. First thing you're going to want to do when applying the coating is grab your matrix, gently shake. Crack the top, apply a generous amount onto an applicator. Then you can start installing the coating. You're going to use a crosshatch pattern when installing. Once this coating is installed, you're going to want to immediately go into the leveling process. So grab your first rag and start leveling it out. Then grab rag number 2. Finish the leveling process to a smooth, streak-free finish. Once that's done, you're going to want to install a second layer of Graphene Matrix. You're going to want to wait 90 minutes to 2 hours after, then do the exact same process again. Once that's done, Graphene Matrix is successfully installed and your paint is protected.